Follow the steps on how to use grids in Adobe Illustrator. To activate the grid, you can do it through Properties. Open Preferences and click Guide and Grid to set it. You can adjust the color, style, grid line, and subdivisions. Press Enter to exit. Go back to Preferences if you want to change it. Activate Snap to Grid here. Let's draw something. You can use direct selection to move the corners. Right-click to hide the grid. Don't forget to turn off Snap to Grid again. An alternative method that you can try is using the rectangular grid tool. Click anywhere to open options. You can freely adjust the size of the horizontal and vertical divider here. Ungroup to be able to turn it into guides. Now you can draw something on it. Fill color. Open Pathfinder and click -front. Right-click to hide guides. If you want to delete the grid permanently, you can delete it via the Layers panel. Finished. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.